Coming to the resume part of full stack development, now I want to first tell you a fact that an HR or a screening uh, team actually has just 6 seconds to go through a resume usually. So that's the average time that an HR or a resume screening person will actually give to your resume. And in that 6 seconds, you need to make sure that you have built an impact on your applied company or your screening team. Because as you know that MNCs and large companies receive a hell lot of applications, and the average time which is based in the industry is around 6 seconds. So coming from the top to bottom, in case of summary, don't go for any philosophical quotes like zeal for the learning and stuff, because you can directly start from saying that I have a experience as a full stack developer for so and so years, or I have started learning full stack development. I know these and these technologies. Like, let's say I'm a full stack developer, I have learned React Node, and I have worked on projects like this. And just in the two lines of the summary, you already have an impact on the HR that yes, I have these skills and I have worked on this set of projects. Coming to the length of the resume, usually we prefer single page resumes. So what you can do is split the resume sections into left and right. When the right section, just mention your front end skills, like especially which framework you have learned. In the back end side, which framework you are working on, and various other tools like Linux and stuff. In case of these skills, don't go for maximum or a lot of technologies. Just go for bare minimum in which you are confident. Like, let's say you have worked on React or Vue for 5 6 months, and you have just started Angular in last week. It's better not to mention Angular and just focus on React or Vue. In case of again backend, if you have worked extensively on some particular technology, just mention that. In the skill section, less is more. In case of projects, just go for how much experience you have in the industry, and start from how your actual projects impacted the company, rather than, let's say, I worked on some website or product development. Just state the facts that this kind of work brought this kind of impact on the industry, because that makes a better impression on the recruiting firm or the screening team. So that's another tip that I can give in the case of resume of full stack developer. Now coming to work experience, just mention which companies you worked on, what impact you had in the companies. And in the bottom, you can showcase your Medium or GitHub profile if you have one. And it's better to not put complete URL, but just the username, like your GitHub username, because when you print these resumes, it is better not to have URLs printed, but just user handles, if I can say. And that's the essential things that I can mention for a full stack developer resume or a pro developer resume in general.